Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mas Dagi Faradila. You can call me Egi or Faradila. I will present a video entitled Narrative Paragraph. Thank you for watching, guys.
What is narrative paragraph? Narrative paragraph. A narrative paragraph is a type of paragraph that aims to tell a story or recount an event. Typical narrative paragraph include the following elements. 1. Introduction introduces the situation or background of the story. Action describe a series of events or actions that occur. The climax show the peak of the story, where the conflict of problem reaches its highest point. 4. Resolution provide the outcome or result of the story, showing how the situation changes after the climax. Narrative paragraph often use the past tense and action verb to immerse the reader in the experience being shared. The goal is to engage the reader in the story being told. Characteristic of a narrative paragraph. 1. Story or plot. Present a sequence of events or action that for a story. 2. Chronological structure. Follow a time order or chronology or events from beginning to middle to end. 3. Characters. Introduce the character involved in the story, providing detail about their goals and development. 4. Setting. Mention the location and time where the story takes place. 5. Conflict and climax. Present the problem or challenge faced by the characters as well as the peak of tension in the story. 6. Resolution. Provide the outcome or result of the conflict, showing how the issues are resolved or left unresolved. 7. Description and detail. Use vivid description and detail to make the story more engaging and immersive for the reader. These characteristics help make a narrative paragraph clear, started, and enjoyable to read. Example of a good narrative paragraph. Here is an example of a good narrative paragraph. That night, the goat wind gently swept through the trees around the old house on the edge of the village. Inside, Liliana sat by the fireplace, reminiscing about her love childhood in the house. The fire in the hearth reflecting light onto the carved walls. Her thoughts drifted to the time she played hide and seek with her sibling in the backyard. the sound of their loud filling the air. A fine smile crossed her face as her father imaged difference in her mind, remembering how the Lord always tells story before bed. His voice calm and gentle, as if she could style her it now. All those memories felt so alive, as if time had never passed. Conclusion. The conclusion of a narrative paragraph is the part where the story reaches its resolution or end. At this stage, all the events that have been described are brought together, and the outcome of the conflict or problem faced by the characters is present. The conclusion provides closure to the story and typically show how the situation changed after the peak of tension. The goal of the consolation is to provide a sense of satisfaction to the reader and to emphasize the meaning or impact of the story that has been told.
That's all my presentation video. I apologize any mistake in my words. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.